Hey friends, today we learn how to download TikTok video without watermark or remove watermark from TikTok video. For that, simply open TikTok. Select the video you want to download. Then click on share icon. And here you see copy link, simply click on. Then close the TikTok app and open Google. And search save TT space CC. Click on first link. Paste the link here. Click on search. Then click on download. Then click on detail. Now your video is downloaded and simply go to gallery. And here you see your TikTok video. And you successfully download TikTok video without watermark. If you like our video, please subscribe.